Hi you guys. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niecy and we're just gonna jump right into it. So this is an unboxing video. I'm actually recording with this ring light. Yes. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it because I don't want to hold you guys. So I know you guys are here for what you want to see. That's why you clicked on the video. Before I leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please turn on your notification bell. Thank you. That's all a girl asks. Now let's get into this video. All the instructions on how to actually put it together. And you have to make sure you have all your pieces. Customer service contacts always needed. Then you have your plates to go over the ring light. So it comes with a white light, and then it also comes with the dimmer. It's a dim light if you want to put that over it. Then it comes with, I guess this will be the phone holder. You can put your phone. I think it comes with something else. You can put your camera in it. I have to check that out and see, but this little thing, Bluetooth remote control, and I guess this is the adapter. And it comes with wood. So I'm gonna check and make sure I have everything that I'm supposed to have, and then I will come back. Right. And it extends like so freaking high that I had to pull it down because it was so high. It was really, excuse all this mess over here, but this is the ring light and I'm gonna cut it on for you guys. My room looks so pretty. Yes, I like this. So it gets really bright. Okay, so I'm back. The ring light is set up. Now I just gotta push these videos out for you guys. So I must say it was a task. I had to watch a video. Like I said before, I had to watch a video to actually put this thing together because I did not want to mess it up. So I just like, okay, let me watch a video or two. But I found one video. If you guys want me to link that video or somehow give you that person's name, I will. Just let me know, because it was very helpful. But you can actually find videos here on YouTube on how to do this whole get up. But I'm gonna put it to work. I'm gonna put this Bluetooth little thingy to work as well, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. Okay, so once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video, and come back. That's all I ask. Come back. That's all I ask. So I'm gonna exit out, but before I exit out, I am gonna post everything that you're supposed to have in your bag, because I didn't actually take a picture of everything because I was too busy like really trying to put it together. So I'm just gonna post it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see it. But like I said, if you need help with actually putting the ring light together, there are videos out there because your girl was struggling. Okay, so without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on, subscribe. At this point, I know, just subscribe anyway, because I'm gonna be putting them out. Bye, guys.